watching and welcome. On today's video, we are going to be trying out some Saviland nail products. So here are some products that Saviland kindly sent over to me, and I am super excited to get into these products. We have a lot to get into today. So we have this first kit, which is a Gel X kit, and the second kit, which is a 33 gel polish set. I'm so excited to get into both of these packages, so let's go ahead and open them. For this one, I already did take the plastic off of it, but for this one, I did not. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these. So first, here are all of the polishes. This looks so freaking pretty. They are all jelly polishes. I'm so freaking excited. I love jelly colors so much, and I do not have like any jelly polishes. I have like maybe a couple, but I'm so excited to have an entire kit of them. So this kit comes with 30 colored jelly polishes and then a base coat, top coat, and matte top coat. I love when kits include a base coat and top coat, but when they also include a matte top coat, it's even better. Okay, let's go ahead and put this aside, and we're gonna open up this one. So the first thing that we see is this little instruction guide. It shows how to use and how to remove, as well as the product's features. Ooh! So first, we have the nail tips, and these are full cover square nail tips, and this is a 500 piece. It says they're high quality, no whitening, and good toughness. Next, it comes with a 600 3000 buffer and a 100 180 grit file. Both feel pretty good quality, and this is a very light grit. It also comes with a nail cutter. It also comes with this gel glue. This is 15 milliliters, which I love that the bottle is so big. This is 6-in-1 soak off gel. And last but not least, we have the little mini nail lamp. This is the 1-finger nail lamp for the Gel X method. Ooh, so it looks super nice. It has that little button down here that you push. So you go ahead and put your nail in there and you push the button. It has 3 lights on the top, and here is the little wire that it comes with. So we're gonna go ahead and put all this to the side, and let's go ahead and swatch these polishes. So getting more into these are 5.5 milliliter bottles, and all of the colors have their own names. This is apricot yellow. So I have a code for all of these products and everything else that is on their website. It will be up on the screen. It is Nails by Liv in all caps and no spaces, and that will give you 20% off of your entire purchase if you use my code. It will be linked in the description, as well as the link to their website. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little card, and we are going to get swatching. Ooh. Cherry blossom. Pink. Ooh. White. Ooh. Million. Ooh, I love this. Is flash white, and I'm super excited because I think this is a glittery one. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This color is absolutely stunning. Spring pink, rosy pink. Oh, I love this one. I've been eyeing this next one for a while because it's such a pretty color. This is violet. Ooh. Baby pink. Ooh. Lemon pink. Flesh pink. Flamingo pink. Hibiscus red. Oh, this is so vibrant. Mine. Ooh, I like this one too. Pure red, tomato red, aurora pink. I think that says Weibo green, but I can't really see. If you guys know what that says, can you tell me in the comments, because it's a little broken up. Nudes pink, cloud pink, pine cone brown, olive brown, topaz blue. Ooh, I like this one. Icy lilac. Here's the next one. I'm not sure if I can pronounce that, but there it is. Ooh, but this is gorgeous. So this one is rose down. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Flash red. Ooh, oh my gosh. This last one is flash blue. Oh my goodness. Here are all of the colors. I'm so surprised I actually fit them all on one card. I am obsessed with all of the glitter colors. Like, look at these. They are so freaking pretty, and I'm so excited to do a nail set. I think I have a pretty fun nail set in mind, so this video is gonna be packed with me trying like a lot of different things, a lot of different new things. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready for this design, and we can go ahead and get started with the Gel X method. Okay, so I have my design already. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the Gel X method. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and size out my tips. So I have sized out all my tips, and I am very impressed with these nail tips. I think they're actually really good quality, and I absolutely love the shape of these. When it comes to short square nail tips, a lot of tips are just not that good. They're usually very wide at the ends and kind of go out a bit, but these are very nice. They fit sidewall to sidewall, and they have a good curve to them. Nothing too crazy, of course. Like, these fit my nail beds so well, and I'm actually super happy about that. Just look how well this is fitting. So these nail tips are absolutely gorgeous, and I really do love them. I'm gonna go ahead and bring in the file, and we're just gonna file this little tab off of the nails. I'm also going to file around the cuticles so the nails blend in to my natural nail better. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up. This is how long the wire is. Okay, I'm turning it on. Ooh. So you click it to turn it on, and then you click it again to turn it off. Out this gel glue. Ooh, this is a very good consistency for gel glue. It is super thick. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the back of the tip. Ooh, this is super nice. And we're gonna go ahead and push down from the cuticles. Let's turn this on first. So this looks super good. Again, I am obsessed with these tips. It looks so good. So now we're gonna go ahead and stick on the rest of the nails. So this is how the nails are looking. So here are the polishes that I am going to be using today. Okay, so I want to try out those water drop nails. For some reason, I literally cannot find a reference photo, but I want to go ahead and try that out today. It's been going viral on TikTok, and I've been seeing it a lot on Instagram. So first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint a good layer of this blue polish. This is topaz blue. I'm going to paint it on the ends. So the next part of this is to take your white polish, paint a thin layer over, and then go ahead in with some clear gel and then like dot it over it. I think people use blooming gel, but I don't own any, so I'm just gonna use this gel. So the bristles on this white brush are a little bit messed up. As you can see, there are like 2 longer bristles. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Okay. As you can see, this is how it looks, and I really like it. Look how pretty these turned out. I absolutely love them. They're like waves on the beach. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this pink and just try to like fade it up. Switching pinks, I think I'm gonna use this one instead. This one is Cherry Blossom. Okay, so I put a second coat on with that pink, and I absolutely love how they are looking. Now we are gonna go ahead and bring out this top coat. Ooh, we're gonna go ahead and put a layer of top coat on these nails. Now I want to add a little something more to these nails. So I'm going to go ahead and use this flash white, this gorgeous glittery polish. And we're just going to do some waves on the nails. now another layer of top coat. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on some rings and some cuticle oil, and here are the finished nails. Okay, so here are how the finished nails turned out. I really do like how they look. I love how it literally looks like there's waves on the beach. I think they're so pretty, and I love the little touch I added to the thumb and the ring finger with the glitter. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to Saviland for sending me over your products. Make sure to go check out their website. My code for 20% off and the link to their website will be in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, tell a friend, subscribe if you're not already, comment. I love reading your guys' comments, and bye!